Just like building a house needs blueprints, creating a beautiful landscape requires a well-thought-out design, no matter its size. The landscape design process is a systematic approach, ensuring every detail is considered for a successful outdoor space. It begins with assembling the base plan, which involves gathering essential documents like architect drawings, floor plans, and site maps. Next, a thorough site analysis is conducted to understand the existing conditions, including topography, soil, and sun exposure. Client evaluation is crucial, assessing family needs and desires to ensure the design aligns with their lifestyle and preferences. Following this, a bubble diagram is developed to locate private, public, service, and utility areas within the landscape. The design landscape plan then takes shape, starting with pencil drawings and progressing to colored renderings. Finally, plant selection and placement are meticulously planned, bringing the entire vision to life with appropriate flora. By following these steps, aspiring designers and homeowners can create functional and aesthetically pleasing outdoor spaces.